Hello to everyone. I am Professor Raja, working as Assistant Professor EC Department at SNS College of Technology, an autonomous institution Coimbatore. In this YouTube video, I am going to discuss the 1990 T204 microcontroller embedded system subject under the topic 8051 interfacing with LCD. So based on my previous YouTube video, you may have some knowledge about how 8051 is working and what are the various internal block diagrams of 8051. Now we are going to discuss how a LCD, that is a liquid crystal display, is interfaced with 8051. A liquid crystal display is electronically modulated optical device shaped into a thin flat panel made up of any number of color or monochrome pixels filled with liquid crystals. It is often used in battery powered electronic devices because it requires very small amount of electrical power. Liquid crystal display LCDs have become a cheap and easy way to get text display for an embedded system. Common display are set up as 16 to 20 characters by 1 to 4 lines. The most commonly used alphanumeric displays are 1 cross 16, that is single line and 16 characters, 2 cross 16, that is double line and 16 character per line, and 4 cross 20, 4 lines and 20 characters per line. The main applications of the liquid crystal are these are used in a naming characters in government buses, a display board in so many restaurants or hospitals, or sometimes it can be used as a display of some traffic signal also. This is the example of how a 2 cross 16 LCD light is displaying. This is the pin diagram of how an 8051 is interfacing with 8051. If you see P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7 all are called as 8051 ports, and the same thing in LCD display D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7 are data lines. E for an executing process, R bar W is for read write process, RS, GND, V0, VCC. Now we see individually how these are using. Sometimes instead of LCD, we are also used the dot matrix. A 5x7 dot matrix consists of a matrix of lights or mechanical indicators arranged in a rectangular configuration. By switching on and off selected lights, text or graphics can be displayed. So based on this 8051 pin diagram, how all these 8051 are using. The 8 data pins, that is D0 to D7, these are called a bidirectional data or command pins. It is also used for alphanumeric characters are sent in ASCII format. RS is the register selector. If RS is 0, command register is selected. If RS is 1, data register is selected. R bar W, that is read or write. If R bar W is 0, then the write operation is executed. R bar W is 1, then the read operation is executed. E is for enable the latch data. It is used to latch the data present on the data pins. A high to low edge is needed to latch the data. VW, that is the input for the power supply of LCD. For a 2 cross 16 LCD, the DRAM address for the first line is from 80H to 8FH, and for second line C0H to CFH. So if we want to display H on the 7th position of the first line, then we will write it at the location of 87H. So these are the various codes that are used in 8051 for a longest display, and this is how we are displaying and connecting 8051 with a 4x16 character LCD display. So thank you for watching my video. In this YouTube video, we are discussed how an 8051 is interfaced with LCD. Next we see some other applications of 8051. So commonly 8051 not only used for displaying LCD, sometimes they can also used for controlling a DC motor or controlling an alarm based system application or controlling an LED display or sometimes they may have a control of a motor for step up or step down processor, and sometimes it is used in agriculture for timing the on and off of motor. So next video we are going to see some other applications of 8051.